Hi beauties! I wanted a full glam look and I saw Danny, our global makeup artist, do one on her personal page the other day and I said, I need that. I need that right now. So if you guys want to see Danny create this full glam look for your next Valentine's date or Galentine's event, stay tuned and let's hop into this video.
Alright, we're going to start off with the eyes first. This is Persuade eyeshadow base primer. Aiden wants me to do full glam today, so that's what we're gonna do.
I want to look like a goddess. So makeup artist Denny is going to make me look like a goddess.
We'll blend in the primer. I love using this brush from the Shale Mitchell brush set. We're gonna use the Angela Bright palette today.
So pretty.
Love these tones. I'm gonna start off by taking Schmoogala, which is this shade up here. Press this on the outer edge of the eye. This is a E27 detail blending. And I'm not even gonna blend it out yet, I'm just gonna work on the color placement. And then next I'm going to take the shade Basic, which is kind of like a lighter brown tan color on my E24 diffuse blend. And I'm going to start working on blending out those edges. I'm just kind of building up that shadow a little bit in her crease, just for a nice contour of the eye. Getting close to her nose. And I'm doing the eye first so I can really blend out that color in this area. And when we start the face, we can just clean it up. Don't worry about the center of the lid just yet, because we're going to clean this up. So you can really spend your time blending in that area too. Do a soft, smoky shadow winged liner.
Ooh.
Do you like that description?
Yeah, that was nice.
So there is a darker brown in the palette called Cold Brew. And I'm going to take this on my E75 angled brow brush, which is a very thin angled brush and is perfect for eyeliner. So I'm going to do a little bit of just a soft line across the upper lash line first. And then Jane, I'll have you look straight forward again, because I want to just map out where I want that wing. Okay, go ahead and close it. So I just extended it out towards, I don't know, kind of her like temple area. Depending on the eye shape, I might extend it out a little higher. Really depends on the person or the look I'm going for. But this is just kind of extending her natural lash line. It's going to clean up and just sharpen the under eye. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on a small brush. This is the E30 pencil. And apply this on the inner portion of the eye. I'm going to take Champagne Problems, which is a beautiful champagne shimmery shade.
I love this shade.
Just have a flat shader brush. This is an E55. And I'm just going to press that right on the concealer. And I'm just staying right above her shadow liner. Of course, you can go in and deepen up the shadow after if you wanted to do the shimmery part first. But I find that sometimes it's a little hard to do a shadow liner over such a shimmery shade. You kind of lose the depth.
Ooh, pretty.
Look good. Now we're going to move on to foundation, and I'm going to use my 3D HD blender to apply my base. I love using a blender if I'm doing a more glam or full coverage look because it really helps to push in that product so you get nice coverage without it looking cakey or dry. We're going to do a little color correcting underneath the eye with a little bit of the Spectrum color corrector. Then we'll brighten it up a little bit with just a little bit of concealer right on top. Again, just using my 3D HD blender. That edge just fits perfectly right there. So now we're gonna set Jaden's face using the Soft Focus setting powder. I have the shade Vanilla Bean. Using my F89 Bake Kabuki, have you look up, and we'll go under the eye. Alright, so we're gonna add some bronzer. This is the shade Medium. And I'm using this on my F40 large angle contour brush. And just gently sculpting out Jaden's cheek. Ooh, yes. Yeah. And then blush.
Yes, my favorite.
First, we're gonna do Sunset Kiss, and we'll just pop that on the cheeks, almost like on your cheekbone. Then I'm gonna top it off with Tiger Lily. And the brush I'm using is a F12 setting powder brush, which is of course great for using it with setting powder. I'm gonna go back in with my Schmoogala shade and just apply this on the lower lash line. Before I do the lashes, I'm gonna add a little bit of an inner corner highlight with the shade Bright. Ooh, okay. Now, you don't really have to do anything to your brows because you have great brows. But we'll just fill them in a little bit with my medium brow pencil. Take the spoolie side and just brush them up. They went out of their comfort zone. But definitely brows. Or like eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner can be. And then we'll add some Tint and Tame brow gel. This is a shade Medium. we're gonna apply Peach Tea Infinity Point lipstick. I just have a little brush like this. This is a Samantha Ravindall detail pencil brush. And I'm applying Begonia lip cream on top. A little sheen. It's gonna feel wet. Don't worry. What do you think?
I'm so pretty. Oh, you look so good. Full glam.
Gorgeous.
So Danny.
Now you're ready for your Valentine's date.
Yay.